Ever dreamt of running your business like a symphony? Every part working together in perfect harmony? Well, that dream applies to your business tech stack too, especially when it comes to your point-of-sale POS system and your accounting software. For many small businesses, Clover and QuickBooks are the rock stars of their tech world. Clover, a popular POS system, helps you take payments, manage inventory, and track sales. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is an accounting powerhouse, keeping your books in order, generating invoices, and streamlining taxes. But the big question is, can these two superstars work together? Can they create a financial management dream team? Or are they destined for solo performances? The answer, like most things in business, is it depends. The not-so-secret weapon, integration. The magic ingredient for a Clover and QuickBooks power couple is integration. Imagine this, a seamless connection where your sales data from Clover automatically flows into QuickBooks. No more manually entering transactions. No more double data entry headaches. Just beautiful, time-saving automation. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, there are a couple of ways to achieve this integration. Option 1. Clover's built-in integration with a twist. Clover offers a native integration with QuickBooks Online, QBO. It seems perfect, a one-stop shop for all your needs. But there's a catch. Reviews suggest this integration can be limited in functionality. For example, some users report issues with mapping Clover's sales data to the appropriate accounts in QuickBooks. Option 2. Third-party integration apps. This is where things get interesting. The world of third-party integration apps offers a wider range of options. These apps act as a bridge between Clover and QuickBooks, giving you more control over the data transfer process. Popular options include Commerce Sync, Cinder, and WebGility POS. These apps typically offer features like automatic syncing of sales data, including taxes, refunds, and fees, mapping of Clover data to specific accounts in QuickBooks, inventory management between both platforms, with some apps, choosing the right integration path. So, which path is right for you? Here's a quick breakdown. Go with Clover's built-in option if you have a simple business model with limited sales data and don't mind potentially putting extra effort into mapping accounts. Explore third-party apps if you need more control over data mapping, want advanced features like inventory sync, or crave the peace of mind that comes with dedicated customer support. Beyond integration, the big picture. Of course, integration is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some additional factors to consider. Your business needs. How complex are your accounting needs? Do you need advanced features like inventory management or payroll? Cost. Clover's built-in integration might be free, but third-party apps often come with monthly fees. Ease of use. Consider the technical expertise of your team. Some integrations might require more setup than others. The final verdict. So, can Clover and QuickBooks work together? Absolutely. With the right integration approach, these two platforms can become a powerful financial management team for your small business. By automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and providing valuable insights, this dream team can free you up to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Remember, the key is to assess your specific needs and choose the integration path that best suits you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.